Like, look at this. Girl, get on. Hey Puddin', welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me again. I'm your girl Intisar Eleanor. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining me. If you've been hanging with me, hey boo hey. I am coming back and I'm here to talk about this unit from Alipearl Hair. So I am back with the pre-everything unit. I'm actually super excited about this. This is a glueless pre-braided human hair wig. She's a 13 by 4. Okay, look how beautiful this hair is. She's a 13 by 4 unit. I kept the styrofoam so you could actually see the parting and everything that's going on with this unit. She is really, really stunning. The hair is bone straight. And let me say this. This hair is thick. I was actually kind of surprised when I took her out the, look how she's moving. When I took her out the pack, I was kind of like, okay, buddy, I see you, boo. So this is a pre-everything unit. She is a 13 by 4. Okay, so it's lace ear to ear. Let's get into the actual cat construction. And like I said, I kept the styrofoam on so you guys could see. Okay, and I'm going to glue this down. I can already see I'm going to glue this down. This is a pre-cut unit, which we still love. But I think when it comes to things that's like styled like this, you got to give it the respect that she deserves. Mother is a 13 by 4 lace frontal unit, okay? She's already braided and styled for you. She is bone straight. She has 2 combs on the side, okay? 1 comb in the back. She has adjustable straps for kind of forever, as well as an adjustable band, okay? To make sure mother lays tight. This unit at 24 inches right now is going for around $250. I'm certain there will be a sale where you can get mother for cheaper sometime soon. But right now, that's where she is at 24 inches. And I'm going to be honest, just based off the way it feels right now, to me, that's appropriately priced. It's appropriate. This hair is stunning. Like the thickness of this hair, this is really, I'm actually kind of surprised. I'm surprised. I'm not kind of surprised, I'm surprised. So let me shut my Mimi tapping mouth. I'm gonna throw this on. We're gonna get it together and I'm gonna see you on the other side. First things first, let's get this natural hair together, okay? Tie her down so we are rearing and ready to go to lay our Alipearl wig. This is a glueless, pre-braided wig, okay? She's straight human hair. It's a 13 by 4 lace, and it's transparent lace as well, right? Which we absolutely love. So we have this unit in 24 inches and 180% density, which is where I'm getting that thickness from, because she thick like Snickers thick, you know what I mean? Like real thick and nasty. And I'm really here for that, okay? She thick like she make good potato salad. And I like that for us. Now I'm going through and I'm laying this wig down. Now, normally, you would not have to glue this unit down. You can wear it 100% glueless, okay? For the people in the back, that means slap that adjustable band right up on your mammy tapping head and wear this unit out. Now, the issue is that I knew I was going out and I was going to have a night. So I was like, let me glue this down. Wrong. First of all, I should have worn this glueless, okay? And I would insert a picture of how this glue betrayed me in this 115-degree Las Vegas weather. But I'm not even going to do that to y'all, okay? So in normal wig laying fashion, I'm going to tie this mother jump on down. Now this unit at 180% density with a 13 by 4 lace frontal and transparent lace is currently going for a whopping $230. Way less than $250, okay? Now at 250% density, this unit is going for just under $260. So you can spend the couple extra coin and get you a thick, nasty some on my body, okay? Now I'm really into this unit. I cannot lie. I do quite a bit of wigs. You guys all know this. I must say, as soon as I took the hair out the god dag on pack, I knew I knew, okay? I knew she was going to stink. You see how I'm coming together? I could see her. I could see her coming right on in. So I went through, I got dressed, okay? Because I wanted to give you guys some final looks. I'm really into this unit. She did not shed a bit. I mean, not at all. She did not tangle at all. This unit is phenomenal. Now, don't judge my daggone jacked up. I jacked up the ponytail, but we're going to take it out and do it again. The point is, this unit was so easy to get together. If you are a beginner, you must check out alipearlhair.com to grab their beginner-friendly, glueless, pre-braided units. You could just wear this and go, baby. Like, absolutely wear and go. Now, I'm going to shut my Mimi's head mouth. I'm going to let y'all get into the rest of this, and I'm going to see you on the other side. Okay, so let's talk about this unit. This unit from Alipearl Hair is pre-braided, pre-plugged, pre-everything, pre-styled, okay? This unit is rearing and ready to go. The price point on this for 24 inches is around $250. I think that's absolutely appropriate for a unit of this magnitude. Now, I almost never feel like the price is appropriate, right? I always feel like y'all really tried it, because then we get it and it just be like thin, or the lace is not great, or whatever, you know what I mean? It's just something that's just not fully vetted. This unit is really, really good. I didn't even add anything to the lace. Like, I painted the lace on the inside, but not on the outside. And I think I'm gonna leave it like that. Like, I actually think I'm gonna leave it like that. Now, this is crooked, okay? And it's crooked because of me. I have a terrible time with middle parts. They don't love me, I don't love them back, okay? I just have a terrible time. And there's a braid here, and my husband said it's left leaning. But what I'm gonna do? Not a damn thing. I'm gonna wear it anyway, because the lace is laid. Who gonna check me, boo? Who's gonna check me? Let me turn around so you guys can see her. In the back. Just absolutely beautiful, okay? Let me get my brush. So you guys can see the length. This unit did not tangle. It did not shed. Do you hear me? It did not tangle. It did not shed. This unit is phenomenal. Like, I'm actually rather impressed with, I'm not rather impressed. I am impressed. I am impressed. I can't understand why this unit is so good. Now, again, she's crooked, and that is burning me down boots, okay? It's like, you don't always get, like, good lace, good baby hairs. Like, look at this. Girl, get on. Just around $250 for 24 inches. And I don't think, baby, we might be getting, this might be a steal. How about that? This might be, look at this hair. Look at this hair. All I did was put like a little bit of heat protectant on it. Nothing else. Nothing else. I cannot explain to you all how much I love this style. This unit is really phenomenal. You guys have to check out Alipearl Hair. They doing something over there, because this is a force to be reckoned with. Now, I don't have anything else to say. I really want to thank y'all for joining me. I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor. I hope you enjoyed this. I'm into it. Girl, I'm into it. And there's so many things you could do. Like, you could even do one of these. You could even do one of these. It's so thick. It's so thick and so nasty. Ooh. Ooh! Look at that. Girl, get the hell on. Get off my line. I done came and did what I was supposed to do. I done gave y'all love, sex, magic, hair. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. Bust down. I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor, and I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Bye.